guys, I'm Lauren Renee and I'm back with a new video. So I'm just going to jump right in, starting with this heat protectant, and I'm spraying it all in my hair after I just washed and conditioned my hair with the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm just sectioning off of my hair into 4 sections so it makes it easier to blow dry. So as you guys saw in the last clip, I started straightening my hair myself, but it was not turning out the way I wanted it to. So I asked my mom for some help, and she came in and saved the day because homegirl was not getting it done, okay? The hair was still poofy. It was mad smoke in the room, coughing up lungs and stuff. It was just bad, okay? So I asked my mom to help me, so I just recorded her doing my hair. So my mom is clipping my ends because my ends are just absolutely terrible. I mean, I haven't had I haven't had my ends clipped since March, and it's now December, so that's a long time, like 9 months almost. So I had a lot of dead ends that she had to clip. So she took off about an inch, and still like the ends of my hair were still like wiry and poofy. So my hair didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it to, but it still turned out. It was straight, okay? It was straight. I wasn't saying that it was straight as bone, okay? But it was cool for a good 2 days. So guys, my mom got done clipping all my ends, and now she's just gonna go through all of my hair and give me some body and bump my ends so that they look a little less like how they look right now. So I just speeded this part up because I was talking too much, but I'm basically just saying that she got done bumping my hair and giving me some body, whatever, and now we're gonna wrap it with saran wrap and keep it on for a good, I kept it on for like an hour and a half because I did my makeup. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour and a half. I'm just gonna take off this saran wrap and let my hair fall, and then I'm gonna comb it down, and it looks much smoother. My ends don't look as ratty as they did before. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like straightened. I've been natural for about a year and a half, so that's my growth. It's been really crazy and a great experience, and I'm super excited for my hair to get longer and longer. You feel me? I just want healthy long hair. But yeah, I'm just combing it down. Make sure I don't look crazy. Feeling myself a little bit.
house.